Welcome everyone to Huefin News. Today is July 3rd, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts because the market doesn't follow fundamental analysis. It doesn't care about a company's assets, liabilities, earnings, production, GDP, business performance, whatever. The only thing that matters is what you and I are willing to pay for the stock. That's it. We're going to talk about Tesla today and give you all an update from our original video that we did on the 14th of June, expecting the market in Tesla to move higher. And you can see precisely right here of what happened in the market for Tesla. I want to remind you, though, before I get started in that, to check us out at our website, huefin.com. You need to join everyone else because they are able to get this information prior to the market actually moving. And you need to make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on anything that we got going on in our particular realm. Okay, so hit that subscribe button, like these videos, and share our content because we definitely want to know, or at least let everyone know, that you're able to see where prices are likely to go the unconfusing way. And that's what we're showing you right now. So like I said, we did this video for Tesla back on the 14th of June 2019. It is in our playlist, so go back and check out our Tesla stock playlist in order to see this video. And you can see right here, even on this price target that we created, this box was right here on the 14th of June. We saw the market in Tesla moving higher, and the market came all the way up here to our price target area with a recouped 12.06% of the market. No joke. Here it is right here, proof that the market came and hit our price target without using any indicators. We don't have to pay an expensive amount of money for this so-called magic bullet that so many people have that they're trying to sell to you. You don't need that. And we have given it to you right here. More proof, more indication as to understanding where prices are going to go. 12% right there. So now let's go ahead and get rid of that because it's our purpose to give you our price prediction before the market actually moves. And as you can tell for today, I don't know if you guys have heard the deliveries of the vehicles that Tesla has done was another record. So that's why the market has moved up here towards this $240 price, and the volume is definitely coming in for today. Okay, so this definitely is a minor change in tone in the market. All right, looking here at the weekly chart in Tesla, we are still holding overall this consolidational range in the market in Tesla. Okay, now that can definitely be something that we can start going into the remaining half of 2019 and 2020. Okay, something of this nature to where we're bouncing in between support and resistance. Okay, now the upper area of resistance back in 2014 to 2017 is $260. All right, we are hitting resistance at 240 right now. So again, I'm literally expecting in the long term some consolidational trading to be had in Tesla. Another positive thing is the fact that it has broken out of this descending trading channel right on this current week. But we are still acknowledging that weakness is still coming in on this current weekly bar. So the market is not as euphoric as some people may try to insinuate in articles and videos about Tesla. Okay, because sellers are still coming into the market. So now, when you look at Tesla on the 4-hour chart, you can tell that the market did shoot up higher, but we are going through a weakness phase. So at least in the near term, meaning Thursday, well, maybe not Thursday, but Friday, maybe on Monday of next week, this particular stock can see a movement to the downside. So I'm telling you now that your eyes need to be fixated on 230 to 220 for support in order for us to see a continuation to move higher. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in this short area in the market for Tesla only for support reasons to see movement higher. Okay, so I'm going to bring it back down towards this 220. Understand though that I would take profit at $230. Okay, and that would be about a 2.32% profit in the market in Tesla. All right, because an immense amount of volume came in on this last 4-hour bar. Definitely tells me that we are seeing some sellers come into the market in Tesla. There is a small probability, I would say about 20% chance, that the market will find some support around 232. But again, I'm expecting it to move to the downside in Tesla stock. We have identified where we need it to go. Definitely want you to give us your idea as to where you think Tesla is going to go. Let me go ahead and move this over a little bit further. Okay, so this is what we're talking about. Market support can be found at 220 to 230. All right, that's what we're looking at. I would TP the market around 230. But ultimately 220 cannot be broken to the downside in order for us to see the continued strength that we had started back in the beginning of June. Okay, in order for us to maintain this movement to the upside here in Tesla, we have to hold support around 230. I'm telling you that now. Okay, so once we see the market find support around 230 to 220, that's going to be a positive sign for the long-term trend in Tesla to continue to move higher in price. All right. So this is our expectation in the near term. We're not saying that this is going to be something to be played out in the long term. We're playing out our objective in the near term to see the fruition of Tesla moving higher. Because ultimately, in this movement to the downside and we break 220, then all of this that we accumulated in movement higher is now gone. I'm telling you that now. Okay, so that's what we're looking at in Tesla. I definitely want you all to give me your comments as to whether or not you think Tesla is going to continue to move higher in price. We are looking for it to move lower. 230 is our TP price. Ultimately 220 will be the area that we're looking for the market in Tesla to try to find some support. All right, make sure y'all maintain your profitability. Check us out at our website, huefinancial.com, and I will talk to you all later.